All right, we're gonna go over Commission Map members area. Welcome. All right, so after you get Commission Map for $12.95, you jump in, you put your email address in the address area to get inside of Commission Map login. Very simple. You're in. Now, welcome to Commission Map. You're going to see a great video of Jamie Lewis and Matt Sabia describing what this is all about and how to use it. You have watched the tutorial trainings and use the offer finder. Some technology. Yep, you're going to love it. All right, so partner with me with one of my launches. That's another offer you can get if you go, once you get into there. Okay, so let's check out Find Offers now. Commission Map Offers. This is your really wild niche finder with some other awesome details as far as the payout of the commissions, some traffic sources, and some keyword finders. And then you've got the description of what the niche is. So let's look into one of these. Life's your best guided meditation backed by binaural beats. Wow, 75% commissions, right? Get more bang for your time, right? Find relevant keywords. This will help you when you're doing any kind of marketing, right? Video tutorials. Choosing winning offers to promote, free traffic method, email marketing, cheap and easy paid traffic, mastermind session, and webinar now, live help. Then we have mastermind replays, 2-hour mastermind sessions. So this is Jamie and Matt, and sometimes Matt, just discussing what is best practices. Then you have Matt Sabia's ebook, Transcendence. This is a must-have, must-read book. It's gonna basically tell you, get it together. If it's meant to be, it's up to me, and you're going to unleash the beast inside of you. Once you read this, it's a huge inspiration, but beyond that, it's a really good map as to, I would say, a mind map, right? Clean and purge out your mind and your time. VIP members area and resources, software suite, weekly webinars, and the ultimate download. The specials, legit guide, film degree, affiliate, bank grab, and cash grab. Some of the cool projects that Jamie's made in the past. All right, you've got it. I can't wait to see you on the inside. I'll see you on the webinars. Enjoy this awesome, packed product system that has been designed for you to help you save time and earn money. See you soon. You can get access now if you go to emailads.co, and you'll see this is a featured item for this week. Click on the picture and you'll see the offer. Talk to you soon.